Evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are
Good
you
evening,
all?
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Fine,
fine,
ma'am.
ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
Good
I'm
evening,
fine.
ma'am. How are you,
I'm
ma'am?
fine. See, children, how was yesterday's exam?
Ma'am,
Mock
Ma'am, it was
easy.
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 It was
It
easy.
was easy, and all the how to enter the click the link, how to write the exam, all those things you are familiar with, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So I sent two homeworks.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I sent two homeworks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the homework? Place
Insert commas.
commas
Insert commas
correctly
suitably
and
and
write the
write the
numbers,
names according to Indian.
isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will ask somebody to tell the answers. Okay.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
Okay. So the question is, first question, place commas correctly and write the numerals. That was the question.
Yes, ma'am.
And it is
Ma'am.
73 lakh
Ma'am, homework.
75,307. Yes, Ashish, you are telling me something?
Ma'am, homework you are telling?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Homework was put okay. Okay, children. Okay, children. The homework was place commas correctly and write the numeral. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And our question, first question is 73 lakh 75,307.
75,307.
Isn't it? So,
Yes, ma'am.
will you tell the numerals? Read that numeral.
Ma'am,
Will
I
you
can.
please read that numeral?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will read?
Ma'am, me.
Ma'am, me.
Ma'am,
Malavika
Malavika.
Bini. Okay, Malavika Bini. Read. I'll
Ma'am.
write. I'll
Ma'am.
write here. Listen. Okay, children. 73 lakh 75,307.
Ma'am. 7, 3,
Mm.
7, 5,
Yes.
307.
307. How did you put the comma?
Ma'am, before 307.
Yes. And here. Is it the correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you got the answer like this?
Yes, ma'am.
73 lakh 75,307. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And second question. Second question, who will read?
Ma'am,
Yes, who will read? Amida M. Vinod. M. Vinod, will you read the second question?
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Who
Excuse
is
me,
that?
ma'am.
Who is that? Yes, I'm hearing. Yes.
9 crore 5 lakh 41.
9 crore 5 lakh 41. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Here, Amida M. Vinod, will you read the number?
Yes, ma'am. 9,
9
comma
9 crore
05.
9 crore
9 crore
is
5
it
lakh 05.
05
0 0.
00.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
0
Amida.
4 1. 0 4 1.
00. How many zeros are there? How many zeros are there? How many zeros are there in between 5 and 1? Sorry, 41.
Ma'am, 0, 4, 1.
0, only 1 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the answer. Is this the answer?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. I mean, in thousands place there are 2 zeros. Then in
See, Amida, listen
one.
to my question. How many zeros are in between 5 and 4? How many zeros are in between 5 and 4?
3 zeros.
That I am asking you. How many zeros are there in between 5 and? Hello?
3 zeros.
How many zeros are between 5 and 4?
Ma'am, she said. Ma'am, 3 zeros.
3 zeros. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Let me ask everyone. Listen. Listen, Ameya, will you tell the answer? Will you tell the
Ma'am,
answer?
Ma'am, I could not join the class because the power went in my house.
Yes.
So I
See,
joined late.
we are discussing about the homework. And Smriti, will you check whether your answer is correct or not? Will you check your answer is correct or not?
Ma'am, I had some connection problem. I couldn't hear you.
Yes, Smriti. Then next, who is the next person?
Ma'am, it's the second.
Altina, will you tell the answer?
To read the number.
Yes. Second question. It
Second.
is 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 9
we should
crore
read
5 lakh
5 lakh
41.
41.
Yes, children.
We should read.
Check whether your answer is correct or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Check your answer whether it is correct or not. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll give the question again. It is 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. And how did you put the comma in this? Altina, will you please tell which all numbers did you put the comma?
Ma'am, before 0.
And here after 9, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Then after 5.
Yes.
And after thousands, that's 2 zeros.
Good. Did all of you got this correct answer? All of you
Yes,
got
ma'am.
this correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, children. So here, this one's family. Just check. This is a very important question. This one's family. Actually, there should be like one number 641, 241, like that. Listen. One's family, 3 numbers together, last three numbers together, it should be 541, 641, 241, like that. But it is simply 41. Clear? Simply 41. Simply 41 means there is no hundreds place there. It is, if it is 241, you will write 241. But here, one's family, it is simply 41. So that means there is no hundreds place there. The 100 place there is a 0. So it will be 041. Again, thousands place is not there. 10,000 place is not there. Then comes lakhs place. 5 lakh. So thousands place, 10,000 place, all are zeros. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So like this. So children, 041, it is 41. There is no hundreds place, sorry, thousands place. There is no 10,000 place. And we have only lakh place, 5 lakh. And 10 lakh is also there, not there. 10 lakhs place is also not there. If it is 95 lakh, 45 lakhs, here you should denote it, isn't it? But here only 5 lakh, so it is 0. Put the 0. Then comes 9 crore. Then comes 9 crore. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Then next one. Next question. Next question I'll read again. 7 crore 52 lakh 71,302. It is a perfect number. Almost all the digits are there. And who will tell the answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Who will tell the answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Namaste. Yes. No problem. You raise up the hands, I will ask. Raise up the hands, those who want. Namaste. Tell the answer. Write the number and insert the comma. Tell the number and insert the comma. It is the third question.
Ma'am, 7,
Yes. 7,
5, 2,
5,
2,
5.
2,
5, 2. Namaste. Tell loudly. 5, 2,
20, 2, 1,
2, 1.
3, 0, 1.
3, 0, not 301, 302.
3, 0,
302. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
And Namaste, will you read that question loudly? Will you read
7.
that question loudly?
7 crore 52 lakh
Yes.
21,302.
Yes. 302, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll look at. First we'll look at the ones family. Clear, children? First we'll look at the ones family. Ones family, that 302.
Okay, ma'am.
302. So it is 302. There are 3 digits, 302. Clear? 302.
ma'am.
302. That is perfect. Okay. So next we will go to the thousands family. Thousands family, there is 21,000. So thousands family, 21 is there. That is 1,000 is there and 2 is 10,000 is also there. Again, now we will go to lakhs family. It is 52 lakh. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
52 lakh.
Yes,
So it is a perfect number. Almost all the numbers are there in this. How will you put the comma? How will you put the comma? Yes. Namaste, will you tell to how to insert the comma?
Ma'am, 3, after
Yes.
3.
Eh?
Ma'am,
After 3, like this. Then before 3, then
before 2.
in between.
Ma'am, 2, 2s.
In between 2 twos. Good. Then
In between 5 and 7.
very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. So you are you know how to write a number properly. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see children, when I send the homework, there did you see the fourth question as million?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm internet.
Ma'am, it is
Okay, children,
international
wait.
system.
International system.
Sorry. You don't no need of doing it. We are coming to international system. Okay, I'm just teaching only. I'm just teaching only. No need of worrying about that. Listen, children, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
No need of writing that question. No need of attempting it. I will teach you perfectly what is international system. Afterwards only you attempt it. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So no need of writing. I don't want to discuss it now. But last question, it is 23 lakh 30,000 and 10. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So will you read it? 23 lakh 30,000. Vrissa will read. Okay. Vrissa will read.
23 lakh 30,010.
Yes. Will you read loudly?
23 lakh
It is not the fourth. It is not the fourth question. It is the fifth question. Okay. It is the fifth question.
Say homework question and discuss and paper
Who is that? Sanega. Sanega. Why you did not take the paper, pencil, eraser and all? Eh? Now you are searching for all those?
Ma'am, I am
Sanega,
not
it is
in
very
my
bad,
home.
Very bad. Very bad.
Ma'am, I am not in my home.
It's okay, dear. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. And don't be panic. And don't
Okay,
disturb
ma'am.
your family. Okay.
All are talking. That's some problem.
Okay. Okay, Sanega. Okay. Sanega, we are discussing about the homework questions. Okay. Then, Vrisa, will you read the question? Will you read the question and answer?
Ma'am, I think I missed the question number 4.
Did you understand the question? 23,30,010.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Vrisa, will you tell the number?
Yes, ma'am. 2, 3,
Yes. Fifth
3,
question. 2, 3,
2, 3, 3, 0,
3, 0,
0,
0,
1, 0.
1, 0. And how did you put the comma?
Ma'am, between between the both zeros.
2 zeros.
Between the 2 zeros. And between both the 3s.
Yes. Between both the 3s and between both the zeros. Correct.
Zeros. Yes, ma'am.
Is it correct? Now, I taught you one easy method. Listen, children. I taught you one easy method how to write the number properly. That means you have to start from the end. Start from the end. Isn't it?
Ma'am, can't hear.
Who is that? Vrisa, check your connectivity.
Ma'am.
See.
Okay, ma'am.
See, Vrisa. Listen. You have to start when you are writing number name, you have to start from the end. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, it is 10.
Yes.
Not, there is no hundreds place. It is only 10. So hundreds place is not there. So you indicate that as 0, 1, 0. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it?
Yes,
Isn't
ma'am.
it? If it is 210, you will write 210. If it is 310, you will write 310. But it's only simply 10. That means no hundreds place. Sri Rudra, are you listening? Sri Rudra?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you listening? So, here, hundreds place is not there. And it is simply 10, 10. Again, it is 30,000. If it is 33,000, 34,000, you can write here 34, 35. But it is simply 30,000. So you can write 30. There is no thousands term. 30,000, 10,000 term is there. Okay. Now, next one is 23 lakh. 23 lakh. So is this the correct answer? I hope all of you got the answer. And if you have any doubt, you ask me. I'll explain it again. Is it 010 itself?
Ma'am, we
Yes.
should attach it with notes.
Yes. Okay. Did you get the answer properly?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, I'm explaining it. I'm not taking it very fast. I'm explaining it slowly so that you are thorough of it. Okay. So whenever I teach international system, sometimes you will forget this Indian system. That is why, okay? Are you, okay, understood? So when I teach international system, you will forget about Indian system. And when I teach Indian system, that time you will forget about international system. That's why I'm teaching it very slowly so that you can understand. Okay, children, sometimes you might have studied in smaller classes. You have studied, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now, 2 homeworks I sent, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what was the second homework? Insert comma suitably and write the names according to the Indian system of numeration. Insert the comma suitably. Insert the comma suitably and write the name in Indian system of numeration. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So who will read that first question? Who will read? Yes.
Can I?
Okay, the question is, shall I clear all?
Yes, can I?
Yes, yes. And the first question I'll write. First question is 8759 5762. 8759 5762. Okay. So first you have to insert the comma. Ashishuni, will you insert the comma? You are yawning. Sleeping?
Ma'am.
Yes. How to insert the comma? Will you tell how to insert?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, after 5.
After 5 means? Here. Before 7, right?
Yes.
Then?
Before 9.
Before 9, good. Then?
Before 7.
Before 7. And how will you read this number?
Which 8 crore 75 lakhs 95,762.
Very good. 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. Is it correct, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I move to the next
Yes, ma'am.
question?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. The question is 85. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
85
Yes, ma'am.
46
46.
283.
283.
How will you insert the comma? Richard, Francis Richard, will you tell? Francis
ma'am.
Richard, insert the comma.
5.
From the beginning.
Yes, Francis.
5. After 5.
It is not after 5, it is before 5.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's 85 lakhs. So after 5.
after 5 or before 5?
After
Start
5.
from the end, you will get. Start from the end.
Before 2.
Before 2,
Before 4.
before 4. Now will you read it?
85 lakhs 46,283.
Very good, very good. 85 lakh 46,283. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, third question is 999 1,999 000 46. Okay, Devika Pribil, will you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Insert the comma.
Ma'am, before the first zero,
Before?
the zero.
Where? How many zeros?
Ma'am,
There are
from the
three
end.
zeros.
Ma'am, from the end.
From the end, before 0, right? Then?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, then after the 2 zeros.
After the 2 zeros, then?
Ma'am,
In
in front
between?
of, in between
In between these 2 9. Isn't
2
it?
9. Yes, ma'am.
So, will you read it?
Ma'am, 9 crore,
Hmm. Yes.
99 lakh,
99 lakh
46.
9 crore 99 lakh 46.
46.
Okay, children, listen. So after, when you write the number, sometimes you won't recognize how to write the number name. But when you insert the comma, it will be very easy for you to write it, recognize it, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So one more question is there. One more question. And the question is
9, 8,
9, 8, 4,
4, 8, 4,
7,
3, 2, 7,
yes,
0.
yes. Fourth question is 9 8 4
4,
4 3.
3,
4 3
2,
2 7
0,
2 7
0 1.
0, 1.
0 1. Correct. And who will tell this answer?
Can I
Who
tell?
will tell the answer?
Can I tell, ma'am? Can I tell?
Lot of hands.
Can I
Lot of
tell?
hands.
Ma'am.
Ananda Krishnan. Andakrishnan is writing something.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me how to insert the comma.
Ma'am,
Okay, Andakrishnan, tell.
before 7,
Yes, before 7, good.
before 3,
Before 3,
before 8.
before 8. Okay, and how will you read this number?
9,84,000. Sorry, 9 crore
Crore?
84 lakh 32,701.
701, good. 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701. Okay. Now, do you have any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No,
Now,
ma'am.
if I tell some question, if I give some question to write the number name, will you write the number names?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Not number names, place values. Will you write the place values?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then the question is, start writing the question.
In the
Question
notes.
is, yes, in the notes. You have your notes with you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the notes, write the place value of the following number. Insert the comma and write the place value. Wait. Question is, insert the comma and write the place value.
Ma'am, we have to write now.
Yes, write it. Place value of the following numbers. Numbers. Insert the commas and write the place value of the following numbers. In Indian system. In Indian system. In Indian system. Insert the commas and write the place value of the following numbers in Indian system. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll give the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I raise the board?
Yes, ma'am.
And I will give the question. First question is, I will not give the comma. You have to insert the comma and write the number names. Sorry, write the place values.
Ma'am, we have to write in expansion.
Yes, you know the place value expansion. How will you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
How will you
ma'am.
write? When you insert the comma, you will understand. Isn't it? 4 into 1, 0 into 10, 2 into like that. Isn't it? 5 into 1 lakh. 7 into like that. One more question I'll give.
Ma'am.
Can you see the board?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We have to write the number name.
No need. Just write the place value. See, children? See, will you do it as a homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
tomorrow I will start
Ma'am,
with the international system. Okay, children?
Ma'am, can you show the number?
Yes,
Can
I'll show
show
the
the
number.
phone
I'll show the number again. Did you see it? Okay, children. Okay, children.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Tomorrow. Who is that?
No, ma'am. My friend.
Francis takes screenshot.
Francis.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you
100721133. Insert the comma and the place value. Okay, Francis?
Take a screenshot, Francis.
Francis takes screenshot.
Okay, children, listen. See, tomorrow,
Thank you.
eh? Don't tell thank you this much early. Let me complete. Okay, children. Tomorrow, we will discuss about international system of numeration. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I leave now?
Yes,
Do the
ma'am.
homework and come for
Thank you,
tomorrow.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.